of Lake Tanganyika, goods are piled high on board a boat with a remarkable past. An enduring presence on the lake, she's witnessed 100 years of its history.
If this ship was human, it would be a great-great-grandmother, one who's born many children, and we, those children, still depend on her for our livelihoods.
A lifeline today, during World War I, her role was very different. She was a fearsome warship named after a governor of German East Africa. Designed and constructed in a German shipyard, the Goetzen was packed into 5,000 crates and dispatched to Africa in 1913. The 9,000-mile journey crossed the Mediterranean and passed through the Suez Canal. At Dar es Salaam, the cargo was brought inland by train until the rails ended. Crate by crate, they were offloaded onto the backs of local porters and lugged to Lake Tanganyika. It was punishing work. There were few breaks and no one was paid.
I have employed approximately 20 Indians and 150 blacks. When the riveting begins, I will need another 100.
By August of 1914, the world was at war. A year later, the Goetzen was ready for battle.
My father was a soldier during the war. He said people were impressed by its speed, size, and its wood-powered engine. Everyone was talking about it.
She was a floating beast equipped with 4 guns, capable of destroying a target 7 miles away. The Goetzen intimidated and bullied the smaller boats that dare cross her. She gave the Germans complete supremacy on Lake Tanganyika. To control East Africa, the Allied forces would have to sink her. But the Goetzen was indestructible. On land, the Germans were struggling to defend their colony. Needing reinforcements, they took the guns and soldiers off the boat and scuttled her. Eight years later, the Goetzen was successfully raised from the lake's bed. She became the MV Liemba and began running as a ferry.
I love this boat and feel I have a historical connection to it. As the captain on the oldest passenger ferry in the world, I feel so honored.
No ship could ever replace the character and history of this ancient steamer. She survives as a physical working connection to one of the defining periods in world history.